All right, guys, here we are busting 4 boxes of Topps Finest. This is a break number 1. Good luck to everybody. Nothing in each, nothing left. There we go. Yeah, I know you would have, Brad. Thanks. Oh, look at that. Go. Carlos Carrasco, gold, number 28 of 50 for the Indians. And you can tell from the refractors by the white compared to the other side. Like this side's white, so that's a refractor. Gregory Polanco for the Pirates. All right. Yes, good start. Breakthroughs. Jose Altuve for the Astros. I guess this is a basketball design, but finest. Buster Posey for the Giants. Basketball design. I hate that. Now you got to put that in the description, so when you're typing in, you got to say basketball. Jose or Alex Reyes, refractor for the Cardinals. Breakthrough, Bryce Harper for the Nationals. And we have finest first moments, Yeletsky Gurriel for the Astros. For the Rockies, we got a blue autograph refractor of David Dahl, number 97 of 150. Yeah, I don't care for basketball cards. Blue chrome refractor, 91 of 150, Craig Kimbrel for the Red Sox. Refractor, Rougned Odor for the Rangers. Breakthroughs, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Purple chrome refractor, Corey Seager, number to 250 for the Dodgers. Basketball design, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Starlin Marte refractor for the Pirates. Breakthroughs, who's that? Alameda Diaz for the Cardinals. And our other autograph should be in this pack. Justin Turner, autograph for the Dodgers. That is box number 1. See that? Now it's empty. Kenley Jansen, green parallel, number to 99 for the Dodgers. Evan Longoria, refractor for the Rays. Breakthroughs, Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. Aaron Judge, rookie for the Yankees. King Griffey Jr., basketball design for the Mariners. Did you get the Mariners? Oh, Jeffrey got the Mariners. Aroldis Chapman, refractor for the Yankees. Breakthroughs, Mike Trout for the Angels. And what's this one called? Finest First Moment, Tyler Glasnow for the Pirates. Ron Healy autograph for the Athletics. Another Judge. And the collation on the base cards are terrible. Luke Weaver, green parallel, number to 99 for the Cardinals. Yeah, really. Matt Harvey, refractor for the Mets. Breakthroughs, Kenta Maeda for the Dodgers. Purple parallel, Starlin Marte, number to 250 for the Pirates. Basketball design, Wilson Contreras for the Cubs. Jake Arrieta, refractor for the Cubs. Breakthroughs, Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. All right, box number 3. Kyle Schwarber, refractor for the Cubs. Breakthroughs, Steven Matz for the Mets. Purple parallel, Joey Votto, number to 250 for the Reds. Basketball design, Francisco Lindor for the Indians. Okay, we got a Max Scherzer refractor for the Nationals and a short print, Zach Britton for the Orioles. Anything over 100 is a short print. We have 25 of them, and they're really hard to get. 1 in 55 packs, I think. Or 22 packs, one or the other. Breakthroughs, Corey Seager for the Dodgers. Eddie Rosario autograph for the Twins. Todd Frazier, blue parallel, number to 150 for the White Sox. Hanley Ramirez, refractor for the Red Sox. Breakthroughs, Nomar Mazara for the Rangers. Finest design, Michael Fulmer for the Tigers. Ichiro refractor for the Marlins. Steven gets that one. Breakthroughs, Jacob deGrom for the Mets. And we got finest first moment, Aaron Judge for the Yankees. And what autograph will we get in this pack? Hunter Renfroe, finest first autograph for the Padres. Okay, box number 4. And why is Pedro on the front cover on the box? Okay, good luck, guys. One more pack, one more box. Musgrove, Joe Musgrove, refractor for the Astros. Breakthroughs. Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Purple Chrome Refractor, Orlando Arcia, number to 250 for the Brewers. '95 design or basketball design, Omar Vizquel for the Indians. Joey Votto refractor for the Reds. Well, there's always tomorrow if we don't hit it now. Breakthroughs. Addison Russell for the Cubs. We got Finest Careers. David Ortiz for the Red Sox. We got a Danny Duffy autograph for the Royals. Okay. You might have picked the wrong side. I don't know. Could do it still. Adrian Beltre, number 40 of 99, green refractor for the Rangers. Breakthroughs. Wilson Contreras for the Cubs. Purple Chrome Refractor, 22 of 250, Justin Upton for the Tigers. Basketball design, Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. Noah Syndergaard refractor for the Mets. I think that's a refractor, Christian Yelich for the Marlins. And a Gavin Cecchini short print for the Mets. 105. Breakthroughs, Carlos Correa for the Astros. And Finest First Moment, Dansby Swanson for the Braves. Okay, here it is. Good luck, guys. Andrew Benintendi. Finest First Autograph, Blue Parallel, number 58 of 150 for the Red Sox. That's a nice hit. Who got the Red Sox? David. Nice hit. And there it is, our first break. Topps Finest 4 boxes and break number 1.